Welcome to Space Mysteries, your trusted source for breaking headlines, global insights, and sharp analysis from around the world. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Something is wrong in the outer solar system. Out beyond the familiar warmth of the sun, in the cold, silent reaches where sunlight is just a memory, a disturbance has begun to unfold. One that would soon capture the attention of the entire scientific world. It began as a whisper on our most sensitive telescopes, a tiny, almost imperceptible wobble in Neptune's orbit. The kind of anomaly that only the most patient astronomers, poring over endless streams of data, could ever hope to notice. At first it was dismissed as a glitch, a blip in the data, perhaps a calibration error, or a fleeting trick of cosmic dust. But the wobble grew. The data was confirmed again and again by observatories across the globe. What started as a faint signal became an undeniable pattern. Something was pulling at Neptune, something unexpected. The planet's path was being altered by a force no one had predicted. The silent clockwork of our solar system had just skipped a beat. The harmony of planetary motion, unchanged for eons, was suddenly disrupted. This wasn't a solar flare or a passing comet, this was fundamental. The very fabric of our cosmic neighborhood was being tested. For Neptune to be disturbed, the cause had to be significant. Only something with real mass and momentum could create such a ripple in the dark. Quiet curiosity swept the scientific community. Teams worldwide pointed every lens at Neptune. The world's greatest minds collaborated, sharing data and theories in a race to solve the mystery. Simulations ran. The conclusion was inescapable. An object of considerable mass was on a collision course with Neptune. The object was identified, Pluto. The data was clear, and the implications were staggering. The small, icy world, once our ninth planet, was hurtling toward a catastrophic rendezvous with its giant neighbor. The impossible was happening. The solar system's outcast was now its greatest threat. The cosmic dance had turned into a demolition derby, and we had front-row seats. Humanity was about to witness a spectacle not seen since the birth of the planets. The news had to be broken to the world. The story was too big, too urgent to keep hidden. But how do you tell humanity the solar system's architecture is about to be violently rewritten? How do you prepare billions for a cosmic event that could change everything we know? The task required more than a scientist. It required a communicator, someone who could translate the language of the stars into words everyone could understand. Someone who could bridge the gap between astrophysics and public understanding. The call went out. The world needed a voice of reason, a guide through the coming storm. The world needed an explanation now. As the universe shifted, humanity waited, breathless, for answers. When the universe does something spectacular, people look for a guide. That voice, for millions, belongs to me, Neil deGrasse Tyson. I'm an astrophysicist and director of the Hayden Planetarium. My job is to study the cosmos and share its wonders. Science isn't a secret language, it's the story of us. That's why I host Star Talk and appear on TV to translate the cosmos. I make complex ideas accessible, sharing the excitement of discovery. When Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet, I was a public face of that decision. Science evolves as we learn more. So when news broke about Pluto and Neptune, people turned to me. They knew I'd give them the straight story, clear, honest, and understandable. In a cosmic crisis, a trusted guide is essential. It's my responsibility to explain what's happening, why, and what it means for all of us. To truly grasp the gravity of this impending cosmic collision, you must first understand the remarkable players involved. Two of the most mysterious and distant worlds in our solar system. Neptune, an ice giant, 4 times wider than Earth and 17 times more massive, is a planet of extremes. Its surface is a swirling canvas of violent storms and deep blue methane clouds, making it one of the most visually stunning planets in our solar system. The atmosphere here is a thick, turbulent soup of hydrogen, helium, and methane, with winds that can reach over 2,000 kilometers per hour, faster than the speed of sound on Earth. These winds whip clouds into wild, ever-changing patterns. Deep within Neptune's mysterious interior, scientists believe it might even rain diamonds, as intense pressure transforms carbon into sparkling gems that fall like rain through the planet's layers. Neptune is encircled by faint, ghostly rings and at least 14 known moons, the largest and most intriguing being Triton, a captured world with geysers that spout nitrogen ice. But Neptune isn't alone in this story. Enter Pluto. Once celebrated as our 9th planet, Pluto is now classified as a dwarf planet. It's tiny, smaller than Earth's moon, yet it has a heart-shaped glacier and a surprisingly complex surface. Pluto orbits in the Kuiper Belt, a distant realm filled with icy leftovers from the solar system's formation. This region is a frozen graveyard of comets, dwarf planets, and mysterious objects. Pluto's orbit is highly elliptical and steeply tilted, sometimes bringing it closer to the Sun than Neptune. For eons, their paths have crossed in space, but a cosmic dance of timing and gravity has always kept them apart, until now. For billions of years, their orbits have kept them safe, like runners on different levels of a track, never meeting, always missing each other by cosmic design. But now, this stable, non-intersecting path has ended. Something has changed, and the ancient balance is broken. Against all odds, the impossible is happening. Pluto and Neptune are now on a direct collision course, drawn together by forces beyond our control. Two worlds, once separated by vast distances and time, are about to meet in a cosmic catastrophe that will reshape the solar system forever. The stage is set for a planetary encounter unlike any in human history. The countdown has begun, and the universe holds its breath. The universe is about to change in ways we can scarcely imagine. How could two worlds, once locked in stable orbits, suddenly be on a collision course? Imagine a rogue star passing near our solar system, its gravity nudging the Kuiper Belt. Pluto, knocked from its safe path, begins a long fall toward Neptune. From Earth, we watch in horror as Pluto's path shifts week by week. Computers confirm, impact is certain. The collision won't happen overnight, space is vast, it could take years, even decades, for Pluto to reach Neptune. Humanity would watch, united, as the small dot of Pluto grows closer to Neptune's blue disk. Scientists would study every detail, predicting every outcome. The world would be transfixed by this slow-motion cosmic spectacle. Two worlds coexisting for eons, now set for a final violent embrace. The impossible dance has begun. The countdown to impact is underway. The final hours would be broadcast live across the globe. Pluto, once a faint dot, now a sphere against Neptune's swirling blue. It wouldn't be a sudden crash. Pluto would first hit Neptune's thick atmosphere. Friction would vaporize Pluto's icy surface, lighting it up like a monstrous meteor. Neptune's gravity would tear Pluto apart, tidal disruption. Chunks of ice and rock would form a trail of glowing debris. The impact would be a series of explosions, each brighter than any nuclear bomb. The collision would release unimaginable energy, flashing hotter than the sun's surface. A colossal shockwave would ripple through Neptune's atmosphere, creating a fireball visible from Earth. Neptune would ring like a bell, its structure shuddering from the blow. Pluto would be erased, absorbed into Neptune in a display of raw cosmic power. The universe's violent nature would be on full display, a world destroyed, another transformed. After the fireballs fade, Neptune would be forever changed. The impact site, a gigantic swirling storm, larger than Earth. Pluto's remains would alter Neptune's atmosphere, leaving a visible scar for centuries. Most spectacular, a new ring system. Not all of Pluto would be absorbed, icy fragments would form a brilliant, dense ring. Saturn's rings are famous, but Neptune's new rings would be younger, brighter, and a stunning tombstone for Pluto. Neptune's moons would be thrown into chaos, some shattered, others knocked into new orbits. The system's balance would be shattered, needing millions of years to settle. Over time, the rings would fade, particles raining down or clumping into new moonlets. Neptune would have a slightly larger mass and a new chemical signature. Future astronomers would see a planet born from cosmic violence. Two worlds, now one. The collision's effects would ripple through the solar system. Debris not captured by Neptune would become new comets and asteroids, hurtling on unpredictable paths. Some fragments would be flung into interstellar space, others could cross the orbits of planets, including Earth. The risk of impact events would rise for thousands of years. Neptune, now heavier, would shift its orbit slightly, affecting the delicate gravitational dance of the giant planets. Over millions of years, these changes could alter the solar system's long-term stability. The Kuiper Belt would be destabilized, sending more comets into the inner solar system, a comet shower. The night sky would become more dynamic, but also more dangerous. The collision would remind us the solar system is not static. It's a place of constant change and occasional violence. We would have to rewrite our models of the future. On Earth, the immediate effects would be minimal. Space protects us. But the impact on our science and culture would be enormous. Neptune's new rings would be visible even with backyard telescopes, inspiring a generation. Stargazing would surge. Science education would thrive. Humanity would be united by wonder and a new respect for cosmic power. Yet unease would linger. The comet shower would remind us of our vulnerability. Astronomers would work tirelessly to track new debris. Programs to detect and deflect near-Earth objects would gain urgent support. The sky would become a living, changing environment, a reminder of our place in the cosmos. We'd never look at the night sky the same way again. This fictional catastrophe is a powerful thought experiment. It's a way to stretch our imagination and challenge our sense of security, reminding us that the universe is far more unpredictable than we often realize. It forces us to confront the true nature of the universe, immense, dynamic, and sometimes violent. Planets can collide, stars can explode, entire solar systems can be reshaped in an instant, and cosmic forces beyond our control are always at play. The cosmos is active, restless, and ever-changing, and we're just along for the ride. Our planet is a tiny vessel, drifting through a sea of stars and mysteries. This realization is humbling, not terrifying. It reminds us of our place in the grand scheme of things and how precious our existence truly is. It puts our lives and conflicts into perspective. The daily struggles and disagreements that seem so important shrink when compared to the vastness of the universe. Events like this remind us of the importance of science and exploration. Our curiosity and drive to understand the unknown are what push humanity forward. Knowledge is our telescope, our spaceship, and our shield. It allows us to see farther, travel farther, and protect ourselves from the dangers that lurk in the cosmos. In the face of cosmic events, our differences shrink. We are all Earthlings. No matter where we come from, we share the same fragile home. The wonder and danger of the cosmos unite us. They inspire awe, but also a sense of shared destiny and responsibility. We are one species on one world, looking up at one sky. Our fates are intertwined, and our future depends on how we face the universe together. So, don't be afraid. Be curious. Let your questions lead you to new discoveries, and let wonder be your guide. Look up and remember, the universe is always teaching us. Every night sky is a lesson in humility, beauty, and possibility. Our solar system is stable for now, but the cosmos is always changing. Nothing lasts forever, and that's what makes every moment so valuable. We are small, but we are aware. Our consciousness allows us to appreciate the universe's wonders and mysteries. And that awareness, the ability to look up and wonder, is our most precious gift. It connects us to the cosmos and to each other in ways we are only beginning to understand.